Now, I know you've never seen a hair oil this dark, this clean, and this potent. There's no color in this oil. There's no debris. There's no sediment. This is just the pure essence of herbs, deeply concentrated and pharmacologically active. Everything you see in this beautifully potent bottle of oil was drawn out of real herbs in an extremely time-consuming proprietary process. Hey Z-Stars, what's good in the hood of the Proverbs? It's your girl Zara, popularly and lovingly known as EfikZara, and I'm finally back with a really exciting announcement because after years of y'all pressuring me, applying a lot of pressure, I'm finally releasing hair products and we're starting with my very first oil. So without further ado, of course, I want to get right into the video, but before we do, please be sure to thumbs up because the algorithm is changing. I need you guys to engage with this video so that people see it. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think the herbs are inside my flagship oil. Share this video with your friends and loved ones and anyone who's really struggling with their hair and scalp. And last but never ever can be least, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, turn on your notifications so you know every time I post a new video. So if you know, even without watching this video, that you want to get your hands on this really rare and beautifully crafted oil, then please check the description box down below. It's going to be at the top, or click in the top right corner in the cards and you will be directed to where you can purchase. Now, this is a really small batch because this is our pre-launch sale actually. So once it's gone, it's gone. And this is your best opportunity to try this oil that I've spent roughly 16 to 17 years perfecting before the prices go up during our official launch. This oil is like nothing you've ever seen. Now, I'm using an extremely proprietary extraction method. That's why we're able to give you a really potent and clear oil without any herbs or floating residue. Now, unlike other oils on the market, this isn't just an infused oil. It's functional and active plant science bottled just for you. Now, every bottle took us hundreds of hours to meticulously prepare and extract. So you know this is really, really potent. And because of this meticulous extraction process, we're able to actually preserve the oil really brilliantly. But of course, we're reinforcing that preservation with vitamin E and some of the other actives inside the oil. Now with this oil, I've brought to you two versions because I like to listen to my audience. And a lot of you have certain aversions to essential oils and or fragrances. So there's the pure version and the aromatic version. One contains our proprietary blend of essential oils alongside the herbs and other ingredients, and the other is without the essential oils. Now, what many people tend to overlook is that essential oils are not just fragrance, they're active ingredients. They stimulate the scalp, fight microbes, and help keep things very balanced. In our formula, they're an important part of enhancing the synergy between the 22 beautiful and rare herbs that we've infused into this really brilliant oil. Now, I know that there are people with naturally very sensitive skin, and there are people whose skin is hardier, but I assure you, essential oils are not that bad. They're actually extremely beneficial when used correctly. And even though my skin is extremely sensitive, I still use our oil, the aromatic version, without any adverse reaction. And my scalp adores it. Now, if you are concerned and you know your skin is super duper sensitive, like baby sensitive, then please avoid the aromatic version. Just use the pure version, the herbal version. It's going to work perfectly for you. Now, of course, I already alluded to this, but what's really inside this oil? There are 22 rare and beautifully synergistic herbs. There are 6 essential oils, a part of our proprietary blend, of course. There's menthol, and then there's vitamin E. We also use 3 really rich carrier oils that are proven to be potent in DHT blocking and hair and scalp regeneration. Now, some of the herbs that are a bit rare that you might not have heard of that are inside this oil are pygeum, there's kalanji, there's jatamansi, amongst many, many others. Now, I'm not going to break it down for you in this video because I'm really just trying to present to you the product. If you guys want a full breakdown, then please drop some yellow emojis in the comment section down below. In that video, I can show you exactly how to use the product, exactly what's inside, and we could do like a really deep dive. But I'd prefer for you to take a look, of course, in the top right corner, just over here, and check out exactly what's inside. Now, did I mention the menthol? I'm pretty sure I did, but the menthol is one of my favorite ingredients and something that I really don't see utilized enough. It's one of the easiest ways to just encourage vasodilation in your scalp. And if you're encouraging vasodilation, helping your scalp to receive more blood flow, this can over time actually help with blood vessel proliferation. So basically what I'm trying to say is angiogenesis, the formation of new blood cells, which is so important for the health of your hair and your scalp. So now, of course, y'all, if you've been on YouTube, you've known me for more than a decade at this point. We've been on here a long time together. I've been perfecting this oil for so many years, and I'm so excited because it's something I use in my personal life. Now, those of you who watch me very regularly are well aware that I've been dealing with a bald spot from a fungal infection I got some years ago from a stylist, long story short. And even though I had healed the fungal issue, actually growing my hair back has always been a bit of a challenge. Now, for the past 2 years, I've been experimenting with this oil, and finally, I can say with joy, with peace of mind, with confidence, that the middle of my head, the crown, is finally filling out in a way that I ultimately didn't think was possible. I thought maybe I just have permanent alopecia there, maybe I have scarring there that's never going to resolve itself. But the hair is sprouting now, and new hair seems to be just popping up every day. Whenever I go to the salon, my stylist actually remark, wow, your hair is coming in, like your hair is growing in the middle of your head. It was something they actually highlighted when I first started going to that salon, but now it's something that they marvel at because it's growing in so healthily. And I couldn't be more grateful. I didn't know that this passion, this love for herbs, this gift, this desire to understand what has been given to us, what has been created, would actually lead me to a point of producing something that could heal so many problems for not just myself, but so many other people. So what's important to note about this transformation of mine, this, I would call it a deliverance, because girl or guy, the bald spot was balding. It was crazy. It was not cute. What is most special about it, without digressing too much, is that there's no magic involved. It's not like I'm doing anything weird. It's not voodoo or juju. It's literally just herbal mastery. All of these things have already been put here for us to utilize in a way that actually honors our bodies and protects them and keeps them safe and healthy. So if there's one thing I'm grateful for, I'm grateful to God for giving us all the resources that we actually need to care for ourselves in His creation. It's really such a beautiful thing. And embarking on this journey with you all has helped me to connect so much to that and just be really rooted in what is natural, what is organic, what is already there for us. Now, I know that sounds like a lot of hype, and I know you guys know I'm good at talking, but I'm not the only one using this oil. Before I brought it to you all, of course, I had to use it and provide it to people around me. So one of my most loyal customers, a prominent business person here in Abuja, has already bought 10 bottles. He uses it religiously. Sometimes he's even scared to ask me to give him more bottles because he knows how time-consuming the process is. But because I love this so much, I will toil, I will sweat, I will work and produce it. I'm so happy and joyful to just bring this to people and give them the experience that I've been enjoying for the past few years, you know? So 10 balls is not a small number. He's paying cash, y'all. He ain't wasting no time. And I'm sure after these 3 bottles I've just given him, he'll still be back for more. So there's a reason for that. I actually even just sold 3 bottles to another prominent personality here in Abuja, a young lady with beautiful hair. But she wants to take her hair to the next level. And this is something that she knows from the people around her is going to work. Now, this is not uncommon. Most of my early customers here and in certain other parts of the world have actually been ordering multiple bottles at a time, because from that first bottle, they realized that this is something they simply could not be without. And I'm so happy to be a part of that journey to making them feel more beautiful, more whole, more complete. Their religious use of it has led to some really incredible feedback and has given me the confidence to bring it to you, my audience, because I'm pretty sure you're going to love it even more than they do. Period. Now, these ingredients are really rare and really exotic, and most of them are grown right here in Nigeria. I've made sure that farmers and suppliers are paid fairly and that everything is sourced really ethically. That's part of why this is a luxury offering. It's really not a cheap formulation, and it's worth every single drop. speaking from experience, because if I'm being very real, as much as I love using my own oil, because it's so expensive to produce, I'd rather actually just provide it to the people that love it. I do use it, but I try to be modest in how I use it because it's just that valuable. There's no need to waste it or use too much. It's so potent, it's so pharmacologically active that just a few drops is going to give you the results that you've been looking for so long. Now, bearing all of this in mind, bearing the cost to make and everything like that, I've still tried to keep the price as low as possible so that all of you can try it. I'm not profiting too much from this. I'm really just more concerned with actually bringing something that is so unique to this market. Now, the market, I think most people would say it's saturated, but I can guarantee you there is no way that you've ever seen anything like this particular oil in this existing market, and I'm so excited to be the first person to bring something like this to everybody. Now, y'all, we're all American. Well, maybe not everyone's American. I'm American. I'm sure a lot of you that watch me are American based on my analytics. So I know that as Americans, when we're talking about shipping stuff, it gets a little sticky because you'll be like, oh my God, if this shipping is more than like $10, I'm gonna put it down. I'm not buying it. And I'm going to be fully transparent with you. Shipping from Nigeria, because this is where we're producing it, and this is where I can ensure that I'm getting quality ingredients, is $30. But I promise you it's so worth it. And I've done everything in my power to keep the shipping costs as low and as reasonable as possible. Because of course I understand that pain as a consumer. But again, it's so worth it. And that $30 is going to be a flat fee worldwide. I'm not going to charge you any more than that. I am, of course, going to see how we can still get the costs even lower, but I've managed to find a shipping partner, thankfully, that is reasonable and is able to get everyone what they need within a timely manner at a fairly reasonable cost. Now, I know, again, $30 sounds high, but it is subsidized. And I reiterate, it is a flat rate. As long as you're ordering about 3 or 4 bottles, it's not going to change. Now, I will check and see if it has to shift if you're ordering a much higher volume, but I'm trying to keep this as transparent as possible. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email our customer service representative via support@EfikZara.com. Yeah. For those of y'all that don't know, shipping stuff out of this country can be a bit challenging. And that was honestly the most challenging part of this entire endeavor, and one of the reasons why I've been so reluctant to start this for so long. But now that we've found a shipper, I want to see how far we can reach and how far we can push this before our official launch and rollout. Which you guys know, based on my flamboyant brand style, is going to be really delectable. Y'all are not ready for that, I promise you. Now again, I say, this is a luxury oil because of how it's made, and beyond that, what it contains. There are no shortcuts, there's no filler, and it's not mass produced. Everything is made by these 2 hands, with a little bit of help, of course, but it's really special. And this process is something that I take great pride in because what I've managed to produce is so special to me. Now, once the official launch happens, again, logistics will change, pricing will likely reflect that expansion, but until then, you can still get it now at a reasonable price. And of course, every single batch will always uphold the same high quality. That's one thing I am assuring you of. Now, if you're serious about regrowing your hair and maintaining your hair's thickness, this is your sign. Finally, you'll have an oil that you could use on a daily basis that's actually herbally, pharmacologically active, and that will cause you to see a dramatic difference relatively quickly. Mark my words. I'm standing on that 10 toes down because I myself have seen the results from the people that are already using it. So please be sure, again, top right corner of the link in the description box, get yours now because this is a very small batch. And like I said, once it's gone, it's gone. I'm not gonna make it again, probably until we launch, for real. So please try it out, get it now while it's still present and a bit more friendly price-wise. And then you can be a part of history, embarking on this journey with me and being a part of a brand that's definitely going to change the way that people see herbs and hair. Now, I'm not going to tell y'all the brand name just yet. It's already registered and ready, period, because, you know, I do my due diligence. I want the products to speak for themselves first. Now, this is going to be one of several products that we launch with when we do officially launch. but I want you all to have a taste of what's coming. This principle, this oil, is our flagship, and honestly, is the foundation of everything that's coming next. So I absolutely cannot wait for you to see what we have in store. Thank you all for supporting my journey throughout the years, from my digital guides to now a real physical product line. I know we're like testing the waters initially, but I can't believe we've made it here, and I'm so excited to share this with you all. I can't wait for you all to actually hold in your hands something that I've made with my own 2 hands. It's not like I'm sending anybody to make it, I'm making it myself. Because as much as I value the people around me, as much as I love my team members, this is a process that I do not want to be removed from. It's something that gives me a great deal of joy, that's very therapeutic, and that I do with so much love. And I know once you try this oil, you too will feel every ounce of love that's infused into it, along with those 22 potent herbs, those 6 essential oils, that menthol, and that vitamin E. So thank you for watching. If you made it this far, drop some blue emojis down below. And please be sure to get my oil. I can't wait for you to try it. God bless you, and happy hair growing.